up? I've got cat hair all over my face now. I literally just spent like the past 10 minutes trying to pick off all these little hairs that I can feel everywhere on my face. Thank you. I am so excited for today's video. You guys know I love a good clothing haul. I especially love a good clothing haul at this time of year, now that it's Black Friday time of year. I've got a good few bits and bobs to share with you today. Everything is from PLT. This video is actually in collaboration with Pretty Little Thing, so a big thank you to them for sponsoring it. As you guys know, or maybe you don't know, but a lot of the time on Black Friday, Pretty Little Thing do loads of really cool discounts, like really good offers and all of that good stuff. So I thought I would share with you the things that I have picked up this year to give you a little bit of inspo. Everything is going to be linked down below as always if you want to get anything for yourself. But yeah, anyway, I'm just going to get into it. I feel like this camera is really bright today. Do I want to turn it down? Do I not want to turn it down? I'll just leave it, it's fine. So the first couple of things that I picked up are sweaters and knitwear. You guys know me, okay? It cannot be an autumn winter haul from me if I don't get some knitwear or some sweaters or anything like that. So the first two jumpers that I picked up are actually very, very similar. They're just like black and white. So they're basically a high neck style of crop jumper, and they're kind of like a fleece material. I need you to feel this through the camera, honestly, like it's so soft. So this one, especially the black one, because they are different versions even though they look the same. This black one is kind of a little bit on the softer and the less kind of fitted and stiff side, if that makes any sense. So it's kind of a lot more slouchy, feels a lot more like loungewear. It's really, really comfortable on. And it has got a zip to make it a high neck, which I really love. I love stuff that has a zip and it's quite, you know, versatile, because you can either have it as a low neck or like zip it up and have it really cozy. It's just the softest thing ever. It's got pockets at the front as well, which is amazing. It's just really, really comfy on, basically just to go with like black joggers, pair of trainers, like anything like that. These jumpers for me in the autumn winter are an essential, okay? I live in them, like they're my favourite things ever. So I picked that up. And then the white version, it literally looks the same, but in person it feels and looks quite different. So it's a lot more fitted and stiff than the black one. I'm gonna link both down below in case you wanna like check out the different styles. But this one feels a little bit more, yeah, just a little bit more structured in terms of the actual fit, and it's not as soft with the like fleece. It's more of like a Borg fleece, if that makes sense, whereas that's more like teddy material. It has got a contrast zip detail on these sleeves and also on the neck as well. And again, this one's got actually quite a big pocket at the front. It's one that goes all the way through. Again, it is cropped, as you can see, and it is kind of like elasticated at the bottom, so it feels really like slouchy and oversized on, which I really like. And then the actual neck again is very similar in the sense that it zips all the way up, and you can have it high neck or unzipped. So again, just to go with a pair of like plain joggers, it could go with cream joggers, it could go with black joggers because of the contrast zip. I just really love these on the website. I actually really wanted to get a jumper dress this style as well, but it is sold out, so I've literally saved that. I've got that in my mind. I like attached it to my shop tagger because that always tells me when stuff is like coming back in stock. So next up, I picked up a little grey jumper because I don't actually have a lot of grey knitwear this year, and it's so weird because grey is a colour that I wear pretty much every single day. Like I'm either wearing black, white or grey, so the fact that I don't really have any grey jumpers, like it made me really want to pick one up. So this again is cropped. I always like to wear a crop jumper just because of the stuff like I wear on my bottom is always high-waisted, so I always have high-waisted joggers and high-waisted jeans on, which is why I like stuff to be a little cropped. The neckline is just a round neckline. It's actually a really nice style because it's not too wide and not too tight. It doesn't really feel like too claustrophobic, if that makes sense. Like it's a really nice fit. It's a little bit thinner, but personally I kind of like having thinner and thicker knitwear because I feel like it's easier then to layer with coats and stuff like that, so really love that. Okay, and then your girl was feeling a little bit adventurous, okay? I decided to pick up a lilac jumper because I saw this as I was scrolling through it on the website, and I just like, I don't know what it was, it just really caught my eye because I felt like it looked so beautiful on the model. As you can see, it's just kind of like a pastel lilac cardigan. It is unbuttoned because I did try it on in the try-on clip, but I just really loved the way it was styled as well. Like I'm pretty sure only a couple of the buttons were done up, so I kind of tried to do that in a similar way in the try-on clip. I just thought it looked really cute, and it kind of go really well with like mom jeans and a pair of trainers, for example. That's kind of like the look that I've got in mind for it, but I just feel like it's a really nice colour, especially for this time of year as well, because I feel like winter, a lot of like burgundies and khakis and stuff come in, but I feel like it's also nice to have something a little bit lighter in your wardrobe as well. So yeah, I actually really like this. It's really cute. It's a bit different for me, but I really love it. Okay, and then I also picked up a white cardi. It's kind of like a cardigan, but also like a jumper. I'm pretty sure I saw this style of cardigan on Kylie Jenner. I don't know when it was. Sorry, it's going really bright outside. This is the thing with using natural daylight, like sometimes it goes so light. Yeah, I feel like it was Kylie Jenner that I saw wear this style of cardigan where it's basically like double zipped and then it was styled with the zips kind of in the middle and it was like open at the top and open at the bottom. So yeah, it's basically just a ribbed cardigan with 2 zips. So I styled it in the triangle clip with one of the zips kind of like up a little bit and then one down, so it kind of, I don't know, has a little bit more shape to it. But yeah, it's a really nice colour. It's a really nice fabric as well. It feels really, really thick. I feel like you would look at this and feel like it looks like quite a thin cardigan, but it's actually quite thick, which is really lovely. Like the quality is really good. Just to go again with like a pair of jeans and a pair of white trainers, or even like a pair of white heels, I feel like you could dress this up a little bit. So really love that. Okay, and then everything else has long triangle clips, so I'm gonna move to the side. The first thing that I got that was like more on the full length side is this dress, which I'm actually wearing in this video right now. Probably can't really tell as I'm wearing it because you can only see the top half, but this is actually a dress. I saw this again on the website and just absolutely fell in love. Oh my god, I can feel cat hair everywhere. Yeah, it's just really, really cozy. The thing that I really liked about this, you know, you're gonna see it in the triangle clip, so I don't know why I'm trying to like struggle to show you. But it's actually got a ruched detail on one side of the dress, which I really, really love. I love a good ruched piece, especially when it's like one-sided as well, because I feel like it just adds just like a different shape and a different like line to the dress, if that makes sense. Like a different hem. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I feel like you know what I'm trying to say. Do have to wear it with nude underwear because it is a little bit on the, I wouldn't say it's see-through. If you wear nude underwear, you're fine, but obviously like if you wear dark underwear, then it will show through because it is a cream dress. Yeah, I just really like the neckline. I just really like everything about it. I feel like it's really cute, so I picked this up. Okay, and then next up, I picked up a pair of cargo jeans. So I actually had these in a size 8, but they were a little bit too big, so I actually had to get the 6 of these instead, but I've never shown them in a haul before, so I thought I would share them with you. So they're basically just kind of like cargo pants, but just in a denim material. That's how I'd explain them. I think on the website they're described as cargo jeans, but yeah, they've basically just got the same sort of like waistband as a normal pair of jeans would. They've got pockets, they've got like copper details, which I think are really nice because they're kind of like a washed like dark navy-ish grey. I really love the details on the pockets. I feel like they look really lovely, and I also like the fact that they've got cuffed ankles like most cargo pants do. So pick these up in a 6. They're a tiny bit tight, but they're definitely better fitted than what the 8 is on me. So I feel like I'm probably going to give the 8 to a friend or something, or donate them to charity or something, and then keep these ones. But yeah, I just really like these, again, just to go with like bodysuits, little tops, like little white tops, little cardigans for example, like they could go with the cardigan. Yeah, just anything like that, and a pair of trainers or a pair of heels. I feel like these would look really, really lovely, so pick those up. Okay, and then I also got a pair of leggings, which is quite random, but I just really, again, love the way these were styled on the model. I'm pretty sure she was wearing them with a pair of like black strappy heels, and I just really liked the way they were dressed up. So these are just like an acid washed like grey legging. The only thing I wish about these is that they were a tiny bit more high-waisted. Like they do just about go past my belly button, but I feel like I keep having to pull them up, if that makes sense. So I might try and get a size 10 and see if that works instead, but your girl has got a long torso, so it's probably just me. But yeah, they're a really nice fabric as well. They're really, really soft, which I love. They just feel really good on, and I just feel like, again, you could dress these up. Like I said, the model was styled with a pair of heels and a top, I'm pretty sure. You could obviously wear them with trainers day to day. Just really versatile leggings, and again, a really nice colour for autumn winter. Okay, and then next up, I picked up a hoodie dress, which it's kind of a similar style to the dress that I've got on now, but it's more of a jersey material because it is like a hoodie style, and it's got a hood. Again, it's got the ruched detail on one side, which I think is really nice. It's like a really nice way to add shape to the dress. I did try it without the ruched bit like stretched out, and I feel like it definitely works better when it is a little bit ruched because it does add that shape. But just a really nice like soft material, great for like day to day, like with a pair of trainers or whatever. You could layer this, or you could just wear it around the house if you wanted to. Like you could just do whatever you wanted with this. I kind of wish the hood was a little bit chunkier because it kind of just feels a bit like flimsy, if that makes sense. And I just really like a big hood, but that's just like a personal preference thing. Other than that, I really love it. It's definitely a very me piece, if you know what I'm trying to say. Like this is just very me, so I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use out of that one. Okay, and then I picked up this blazer because I love a good blazer, and I don't actually really have any kind of like patterned blazers. Like they're pretty much all just like plain white, plain black, like that kind of vibe. So I picked up this it's kind of like a checked sorry, I've still got hair on me, kind of like a checked like dog tooth style blazer, and it's kind of in like the more neutral colours, like it's browns, and there's a little bit of like kind of grey blue in there as well. But I just really love the colour for this time of year. I wear a lot of brown and a lot of kind of like chocolate colours in the winter, as you guys know. It's just really good for layering. Like you could put this over a hoodie, for example. You could put this over just a little top if you wanted to like add a little bit of warmth to it. And it does actually have usable pockets, which is really nice because sometimes like blazers just have like pockets for show, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I really like that. And I also got a kind of long line like maxi cardigan because I've not owned one of these yet this year, and I feel like they've really kind of come back a little bit. Even so, I feel like they're just really warm, really cozy, perfect to just throw over, say when you've got like leggings on. I feel like they'd look really nice. Like this would look really nice with the acid wash leggings and just like a little top underneath, and then you could even layer like a bigger coat on top if you want to stay really warm. But yeah, I kind of just had this in mind to like wear around the house as well, because I feel like cardigans are perfect for that. It's a really nice length, like it's just the right length where it's not too long but it's also not too short. I love that. I feel like they do this in quite a few colours as well, but I just love a good cream moment, so thank you. Okay, then last but not least, I don't actually have this in person to show you, but I have the try on clip here. Hands down my favourite piece in this whole haul. Like I wore it the other day, which is why I've not got it here right now, because as soon as I unboxed that I was like, I need to wear this coat. It's basically part of the PLT and Little Mix collection, I'm pretty sure, and it's a big oversized faux fur black coat with a hood. When I tell you it's like the weightiest coat ever, it's like so heavy and luxurious and comfortable. Like you could just wear that and be naked underneath and it would keep you like so warm. I mean, not that anyone would do that anyway, but you know what I'm saying? Like it is literally the thickest coat I have ever owned. I wore it the other day with black joggers and a black top underneath for just like an all black kind of moment, and I just really loved it. Like I'm obsessed with it. I can tell I'm gonna get so many uses out of it. Can't wait to get a picture in it. Like it's just me in a coat, I feel like. So yeah, I'm in love with that as well. Yeah, that is pretty much everything for this haul. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this and got some inspo for Black Friday. I love you guys as always, and I'll see you in the next one. I guess that's pretty much it. Bye.